Hi, this is Kirk with ForexStrategyExpert.com. What we're showing you here is just a basic candlestick pattern. Yes, if you're really experienced, you can probably make a few pips out of this, but generally, without an education, some indicators, and some signals, you wouldn't have made very much, or you probably would have lost more. So let's just add a couple of indicators to this chart. So we've just added a couple of indicators to the chart, so now you can see that it makes it easier to read and catch the momentum. One thing you'll be looking for is when this indicator crossed the zero line, the hot lines or the moving averages were going up, then you would have taken a buy trade on that. Why would you not take a sell trade here? But why would you take a sell trade here? By knowing how to read the indicators, you'd be able to determine that. With this set of indicators we have right here, I would have known to not take that one. The others, I could have figured that out. So we can show you what happens when you add just a couple more indicators. We've just added a couple more indicators to this mix, so it's not too many. Once you know how to use them, it's just exactly what you need. But now you have even more signals to tell you that that's a great trade. And so you would take that trade, and why you wouldn't take any of the other trades. But there's a trade right in here. The indicators would tell you to take a trade right there and to take a sell trade right here. How would you know to take a sell trade right here without indicators? Well, let me add the alerts. So the alerts bring these to your attention, so you're not only trade this currency pair, but as many as your broker has to offer. The alerts will help bringing trades to you on all the currency pairs. So we've talked about education and indicators. Now you need the indicators and then receive education about the indicators as well as the overall trading game. Now we're going to put on some signals. Now you can see that we have added some signals, these blue and red arrows, telling us when there's some potential buy signals or sell signals. Now, by knowing how to read the indicators or read the signals, you wouldn't even worry about all these down signals right here, and you wouldn't even worry about this up signal or that up signal. We show you how that's all filtered out for you. But why you would want to take this buy signal, why you would want to take that buy signal, and why you would want to take this sell signal. So that's part of the Forex education, indicators, and having some signals. Now let's take a look at this signal right here and see what happened because of it. You knew this long before it went off and the market moved the way it actually did. You would have been heads up and been working on it. That's what it did right there, a great big down move. You had two additional signals to tell you that there was a potential of the trade going down. All the other indicators told you the same thing. So this on a 1 hour chart, these signals can be read on any time frame, not just the 1 hour chart, and you can take shorter trades on the 5 and the 15 minutes, or you can take longer term trades on the 1 day and the 4 hour. But this is to give an example of what education, indicators, and signals can do for you in your Forex trading. Hope this was a help to you. So you can go to ForexStrategyExpert.com. If you're viewing this video where there's a place to fill in your name, your email, and a phone number, go ahead and do that now, and you'll be taken to a place where you can actually see what the products look like and get in touch with us as far as getting the special bonuses that we have available for all those who want to take a look at the strategy we have to offer here. Talk to you later, and happy trading.